Okay, getting ready to install the shelf for the refrigerator freezer. I've got the sliding shelf built. I'm going to put these up on the side walls. I'm going to attach the sliders to that and we'll test it out and see how it works. Stick around. Well, it's in. Now I'll put the refrigerator in there and see how that works. Well, the refrigerator's in for the best part. I've got 5 inches of space below the stove. The stove is... Stand up here so we can see it easier. Boy, it's tough to see in here. Small spaces. And that's what it's like when it's out. You get clearance. Lots of clearance. Clearance. I just got to put in the stops to keep that from sliding around. Take things out here, put them on the counter over here or in the sink, close it back up, and slide it back in just like it was made for it. Alright, one more thing partially done. I got a lot of partial dones. Eventually they'll add up to a whole done. Alright, check back. Okay, I got the second sliding drawer in. If I could keep my finger out of the way. It's going to take me quite a few more of these to get, what's the word I'm looking for? Comfortable with putting them in. Still have to do a little sanding here, a little adjustment there. This one is out, and those 4 marks you see are for, I'm going to put some depressions in there because this is a heat press machine for doing t-shirts, and the legs will sit down in there so it won't rattle around. So that's another section partially done. I got lots of partial done sections, but eventually they'll all get done. I'll probably be on the road when I start doing finish work, hopefully in 2 weeks. We'll see. Alright, it goes in just fine, and you see it's back far enough where I can put the door flush if I want to. Flush with the face frame. I'm not sure if I'm going to flush or put them on the outside yet. Alright, stick with me. I got more stuff coming. Putting the rubber footholds for the t-shirt heat press in here. It has rubber feet, and rubber feet will sit right down in there, keep it from sliding around. And this is what the last drawer that pulled out. So I'm trying to find the center. I'm sure there's ways to do it mathematically, but I sort of do it eye by eye. And I have a adjustment stick here. See how deep I'm going. Just a little bit more. Just a touch more. Not all the money. This particular drill bit has a screw on the end, and it makes it tough to go slow. You have to kind of jump on it a little bit, but it will cut. Okay, inside the house where I've got the heat press stored, and you can see that they fit right down in just about perfectly. Here's the back ones. And again, this way it won't slide around. Okay, back to work on the shuttle. Okay, what I'm doing now is setting up some stops in case I have to brake hard. This won't go sliding around in the cabinet. I'm centering it side to side. I've got my distance here. I'm just looking to see where I'm going to set these. I've got a vent here I don't want to cover up, and on the other side, and my electrical comes in here at the back. I don't want to cover that up. But these will come in and make a nice little box for it to sit in. I'll be cutting everything to length and then screwing it, gluing it, and screwing it from the underside. If you get any questions, leave them in the comment box down below. Thanks. Okay, and there it is. That's how it'll be attached. I'll come up from the bottom with screws, glue it, then I'll take the router and route these edges over. A nice round over, so if you're lifting it in and out, it just slide right into place. I think that should hold it. This is where the vents are, the intake and the exhaust. This is the electrical hookups. So I think it's ready to go, ready to put together. I'll pre-drill holes down through it and come back up through. Right now I'm pre-drilling. I've outlined the blocks so I know where they're going to go, so I'll know exactly where to put my screws. These two butt against this one, so I can't put a screw right there, so I've got to come in a little bit. Not too close to the edge. And one in the center. Same over here. I could measure it. But being a sign maker, you get a pretty good eye for seeing distances. There it is. Now I'll lay down some glue, screw it from the bottom, and that'll be done. Okay, going to do a round over on the inside of these. I might do it on the outside, I'm not sure yet, which will help settle the refrigerator in. And this router is loud, so I'll be using eye protection and ear protection. that part is done. Oop. Nothing like kicking the tripod. Come in here, do minor cleanup on it. I'll ease these edges. And when you put the refrigerator in, it'll have a tendency to guide you right on in. Alright, I'm going to ease these edges. And it'll be ready to clear coat.